Welcome to the final episode of cooking every single recipe in the official 5 Nights at Freddy's cookbook. Today we're making the puppets of an eggy Benedict. Don't forget to subscribe, you don't want to miss my next video, the epilogue, where I'm going to rank every single recipe from worst to best. To start this recipe off, you're going to want to fill a decent sized pot with about 5 to 6 centimeters of water and then add 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar to it and bring it up to a boil. Now, to make the hollandaise sauce, you want to melt half a cup of butter, then let it cool. Then in a blender, put 2 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon white wine vinegar, a squeeze of lemon juice, a teaspoon chopped chives, dill, or parsley, and some salt and pepper. And then you pour the melted butter in slowly while blending, making sure to avoid the little white stuff in the melted butter. So now you want to do the mushrooms and kale. You are going to want to cut up about 1 1/4 cups of kale and then 3/4 cups of mushrooms. Throw 1 1/2 tablespoons of butter into a pan and then put the mushrooms and kale in and cook until the kale starts to wilt and the mushrooms start to color. While the mushroom and kale are cooking, you also want to cook the eggs. You just crack eggs directly into your water and let them cook for about 3 minutes until they're a solid uniform but the yolks are still running. And then you pull them out of the water with a solid spoon and put them on a plate with a lid over top or something to keep them warm. Finally, to assemble, you just take a toasted English muffin, put the mushroom and kale, then the egg, and then some hollandaise sauce on top. These were so good. Thinking about it now, I want to eat it again. These were so good. I'm craving it now, making this video. I'm gonna give it a 9.5 out of 10.